In this video, we're going to look at setting up a dripped course. So we're going to go under Offerings and Create, and we'll choose the Drip Release Course template. I'm calling this the 6-week music intensive, and it will be a one-time payment of $299, and I'm ready to add my content. So here you'll see that we have a couple of weeks already set up. I'm going to go ahead and add a 5th week. So I'm going to click the Add button, New Module. I'm calling this week 6, and now you'll see it added at the bottom. And now I can also add additional content. So if I wanted to add some downloadables, I can go ahead and upload those. We'll call this my bonus download, for example. And I can, of course, add new modules, public pages. I can also add and nest existing offerings. So if I had, say, a free course I just wanted to offer as a bonus when they sign up for the paid course, maybe it's a prerequisite that they could go through before they take the training, that's another great option to have. And if I want something that's available to everyone, I can add that to the base module. I can add an existing page from a different offering or even duplicate a page as well. Now, since this is a dripped course, I can edit when things will become available. So let's say that I want the week 1 module to be released immediately. I will keep it as is. And then since this is weekly, I'm going to have this module released after 7 days. You could also have it dripped based on progress. So if you have progress tracking in AccessAlly Pro set up, you could have people who complete quicker go through the course faster. So it might still be a 6-week course and you might still drip it like this on a schedule, but if they complete faster, then they can basically unlock faster as well. So that's another option for you too. Now in this case, I want to make sure that my last week that I just added also comes out after 7 days. So I'm going to go ahead and change that setting. And then you'll see that we have our order form, we have our settings here, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a sales page that's going to go and be a public page. So this sales page will be associated with this course, but it's not going to be protected. It will be a public page that everyone can see. If you click here on permissions, you'll see all the tags that will get created automatically for you. And if you wanted to rename any of these tags before they get created, you can do that right here. I like the structure I've set up for my course, so I'm going to hit save to create the pages. So at this point, everything is in draft mode, so I'm going to go ahead and edit my main page for the course and make sure that I hit publish on it, add any content that I want here, and that will make sure that all the subpages as they get published will work as well. Under settings here, I can add a description. I can also add my sales page so that if people get to this icon on the dashboard and they don't have access, they will be taken to this sales page and they'll be able to purchase. So the other piece of a drip course is, of course, the welcome emails. So if you head over to emails and welcome email, we can create a new one just for this course. I'm going to choose my trigger as successful purchase of my 6-week music intensive. And yes, I do want to send an email. And from here, you can update the email subject line, change the text, and even personalize it using the different options that you have here. Now, the other part of releasing a drip course is making sure that you have module emails that go out as things progress. So I'm going to create a module release email for a specific offering, which is our 6-week music intensive. So we're going to have it send those emails only for the future modules, not the first one that they get immediately. And then you can just go ahead and change your subject line, edit some of this content here, and you can even link directly to the module itself. So if I click on module name as a clickable link or module page URL, I can go ahead and insert that. And when it comes out as an email, people can just go ahead and click on it and they'll be logged in and brought to the correct page. So now that we've set up all of these options, let's head over under forms. You can obviously add additional payment options and do all kinds of things. But what I'm going to do right now is create a coupon code so that we can test this order. So I'm going to make this a 100% off coupon. I don't recommend this unless you are using it for testing. Obviously, you can create it and then just delete it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to preview our order form. So I've gone ahead and opened my order form in an incognito window, and I'm going to test with a brand new email address. I'm going to click next, and now I will put in my coupon code. So once I hit enter on that, you'll see that my coupon code has applied and we have a $0 order. So I've gone ahead and filled everything in. I'm gonna click the Pay Now button, and now it should take me to my course. So it says, congratulations, you're officially a member. If I click here, I will be taken to that main page. So I've been welcomed into the course, and now I can also test and see what this person has access to on the back end to make sure that everything is set up properly. So I've gone to this new user, music student, and you can see here they have all the tags you would expect, and you also see their purchase was successful. It was a $0 purchase. You could also refund this if it was a real purchase. And then here under Drip Automation, you can see we gave them access to that free course, which was nested inside of the paid course. And then we also see which course or which week they're on in the Drip Automation. So they have week 1. Week 2 is going to be scheduled on this date, and if I wanted to, I could release the next schedule. I could even pause their subscription or their drip automation if I wanted to just pause it for whatever reason. And so you can see there's tons of useful information that you can have here on this member to make sure that everything is synced up and created properly. And once you're done testing, you could go ahead and delete your coupon. So there you have it. This is how you can create a dripped course in AccessAlly. There's more links and information below, and I can't wait to see what you create.